Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Mi A3 and today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up whatever content you want to capture, and from there I'm just going to use as an example the screen and the home screen. So once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and the volume down simultaneously. You'll see an animation of it, which is a flash and just kind of like a minimization, and then get a message. And we can just swipe away on that message, and the photo that we have just taken can be found in the photo gallery. So right here, you'll see that it's, just close this, keep off. You can see that it's under screenshot. Now this is in the album section if you have like tabs right here. And I believe if I take a photo, it will create. Let's see, if I go back in there, you can now see that there is a camera and the screenshot folder. So screenshots will always go into this folder. And yeah, that is basically how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.